Business is booming in Pennsylvania's Slate Belt, and that's thanks to an international chemical company that's not only expanding its plant here in Upper Mount Bethel Township, it's also adding 200 brand new high-paying jobs.
Slate Belt is named that because they used to manufacture slate. That industry's gone, so there's a need for business, for manufacturing to be up there.
Janet Smith is part of Governor Wolf's action team. Their role, bring more business and jobs to PA. She worked with France-based specialty chemicals company Air Liquide to get them to expand and create 188 jobs in the northern tier of Northampton County.
The state wants to have family-sustaining and well-paying jobs. There were enough new jobs for it to be a GATT project. So the next step then was to gather information about what the project would be.
The Fortune 250 company, which takes in about $20 billion a year in revenue, is already moving into their brand new space, a 105,000 square foot facility on Delaware Drive.
A lot of this was made possible because the communities up in the Slate Belt went together on creating some land to incentivize, to attract manufacturing operations in.
The company's biggest incentive? Over $1 million in state tax credits and grant money. Air Liquide received a PA First grant for $564,000. They also received the same amount in PA job creation tax credits. It was the company's promise to create jobs that landed them those big breaks.
Maintenance technicians, production technicians, chemists, chemical engineers, mechanical engineers. We really go top to bottom, left to right in terms of the skill sets that we need.
Air Liquide acquired the former site of Voltaics in 2013, and the new second facility is about 3 miles down the road. Developers hope this boom in business will help the entire Slate Belt economy.
But those people then, they come to work and then they may go out to lunch, they spend money, depending on where they live, they spend money. All of that is what helps move our economy forward.
It's been a nice pathway of economic growth for the Slate Belt, which has not seen the same volume of growth as we have seen throughout the rest of the Lehigh Valley because of its kind of distance from the main arteries. But what's happening now is the I-80 corridor coming over from New Jersey, I think, is slowly being recognized as a good point of entry into the northern part of Northampton County.
And Air Liquide plans to grow too.
We're undergoing tremendous growth in our business. We expect business continues to progress, that we'll be adding more and more jobs over the next couple of years.
The fact that Air Liquide has done its due diligence and said, yes, we want to be in the Lehigh Valley and we want to be in this part of the Lehigh Valley is really significant. So we're looking forward to building upon this win.
Now, if you'd like to learn more about those jobs, of course, we have a link on our website, WLBT.org. In Upper Mount Bethel Township, Pennsylvania, I'm Megan Frank for PBS 39 Nightly News.